Hello friends, today we will discuss about GitHub web hosting, means how to host a website using GitHub. So without any delay, we will start. But if you are new to our channel, then please subscribe, hit the bell icon, then watch the video. Okay, this is our website, which is India Tourism, and it's a basic website, but it's a simple website using Bootstrap and HTML and CSS. So if you want to know that how to make a simple website which is also responsive using Bootstrap, then comment below. I will make a video on Bootstrap and I will make a complete website also. So here you can see there is about us, there is gallery, there is contact, and there is a pop-up which is quite good. And yeah, this is all information about a simple website, and we will go to host this website on internet. Now you can see this website is already hosted on internet, so you can share your friend, okay. But let's say this website is on your PC which you have made. Yeah, so yeah, now you can see this is the path of our local PC, and you want to this website to convert to host on GitHub like this. Yeah, so I will got this and I will show how to host this website. So first of all, we will make a repository. I believe you all have account on GitHub. If you don't, then just simply sign up. You can make a GitHub profile. So let's say host web is the repository name, and create repository. And yes, there are two ways to upload the project in GitHub in your repository. One is using git pass or git command, and another is using uploading via files, means drag and drop files. But I will suggest that everyone should use git bash or git command, because that's the most important thing for a developer. If you want to become a good developer, then use git bash and git command. But right now I will show you using uploading files, because this is very easy. Let's say I assume that you all are beginner to the GitHub, so I will use uploading existing file. But if you want to know how to use git bash or git command, then comment below. I will make another video which will completely go through all the git commands and git and all information about git bash. So let's start. Yeah, choose your files. I will choose my files. Yeah, now you can see uploading the two files. Yeah, it's done. And yeah, you have to do some commit, means you have to write some commit changes. Let's say this is my first commit. So yeah, commit changes. Now you can see that I have uploaded the file, or you can say I have pushed the file to the repository whose name is hostweb. Let's see how to host on the internet. So go to the setting till down up to you get GitHub pages. Now click on check it out here. Choose the branch, means main branch. Maybe you have master, maybe you have main, it's depends. So here I choose main branch and click save. After save you will see the site where the website is published. Now you have just to click, what's the saying, okay, let's see, copy this and paste it here. Yeah, boom. Now you can see our India tourism website is hosting on GitHub. Now you can see the github.io means the format here is the username .github.io and slash, then the repository name slash. And yes, most important thing, your project should contain one index.html. This is the most important thing, because if you don't have index.html page, then this repository will give you some error, 404 error. So remember it, you have must, and the repository, look this, you have must index.html on this repository. So yeah, now the hosting is done. You can see, yeah, about us and contact, yeah, you can join it. Yeah, this is pop-up. Now it's completely done. So if you have faces any type of problems by hosting a website using GitHub, then comment below. I will try to help you or figure it out. So happy coding.